Hi, my name is Juan Mosqueda. I was born in Veracruz, a warm place located in the coast of the Gulf of Mexico. I lived most of my life in Reynosa. My mom took us here when I was a toddler. Before entering Prepa en Línea, I used to work in a bakery shop. My time there was almost done, and I wanted to get a better job, so I entered the high school. The three most important achievements in my life are walking by my own means, finishing middle school, and learning a second language. That is in process still. One of the most difficult experiences in my life is dealing with people that don't want to make the extra effort to help disabled people. This is very common. Many people just don't want to deal with us. I guess it's just a problem from them. I don't know. Perhaps money, time, ignorance. I don't know why they do it, but they are still doing it. Currently, I'm studying Prepa en Línea. I'm trying to learn English. My brother is helping me with that. And one other thing that I'm working on is trying to learn about social media. It is a big deal in this part of Mexico. Many people have access to phones and they are always on social media. I'm trying to learn how to manage and take advantage of social media. I want to enter the workforce and become independent, and I do want to enter the university. Perhaps I'm going to do it online, most surely, and eventually I want to own my own firm or company, and of course, at some point, I want to make a family. Well, this is all for me. Thank you for listening to me, and have a great weekend.